Living Tiny in South Africa did a video and an interview with me in December, and if you haven't seen that video, click on the link in the description below, or at the end of this video I'll put a link. And for now, lovely weather, time to go camping again. So I'm on my way going Midlands area again for a couple of days. Keep on watching, see what I get up to this year. Enjoy. Just got to Midmar Dam. It's overcast, but pretty humid, but at least nice breeze blowing at the moment. Even attempt to take the gimbal out because the wind is pumping, and with this wind you won't hear anything, and the gimbal won't keep up for stabilization. So I don't know even if you can hear any sound now, but I don't know if the storm is coming our way or if it's just blowing over. Geese, they're paddling away, they're not moving, the wind is pushing them back. And just looking on the other side, all the day visitors are leaving, and right across there, can't see it, well I don't know if you can see it, but there's a whole traffic jam of people leaving. Everybody's running away from the storm. Monday morning after the big storm from last night. Light breeze, actually nice and cool and fresh. Some guys practicing for, I assume, the doozy. At the moment they've got a bit of a headwind. At 2 o'clock this morning I had some rain again. And then the rest has been pretty quiet, so don't know what this is going to do today. Got a few people up, but I don't know with the wind and the microphone. Strong breeze. A lot of people up already early in the morning, but surprise, surprise, load shedding. 5 till 7:30 in the morning. And we're packed and ready to go. Some blue skies there. Fine drizzle. Wind still blowing, but not too bad. Lots of birds flying around feeding on something. I'm not sure what it is. Looks like a lot of people are packing up and ready to go. Russell and Cindy has just left. There's Russell and Cindy. They went for a short drive through the camp first, and out they go. I bumped into some old buddies of mine that I haven't seen for many, many years, and made some new friends as well. But yeah, it was a good jol, even with the bad weather we had last night. Doesn't matter, still good. And just drizzling at the moment, yeah. So I don't know what the weather's going to do here today at home. But yeah, it was a jol, just too short. Have to go away for a bit longer. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Cheers.